Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast. Tonight, we're going to talk about a very interesting idea. Can you really learn English while you sleep? Many people wonder if this is possible, or if it's just a dream. Anna, what do you think? Have you heard about this?
Oh, hello. Yes, I've heard about it. Some friends told me it's magic, that you just listen to English and wake up knowing new words. It sounds too good to be true, you know. I really hope it is true, because learning English can be hard sometimes.
It's a great question, Anna, and many learners share your curiosity. Before we go deeper, I want to ask our listeners, do you listen to anything while you sleep or before going to bed? Maybe music, a podcast, or even English lessons? Think about it.
I sometimes listen to soft music to relax, but never English lessons. I always felt like my brain would just turn off. So, is it really possible to learn something when we are sleeping? Or is it a myth?
That's a very good starting point, Anna. The short answer is no. You cannot become fluent in English overnight just by listening in your sleep. It's not magic, and it won't replace your daily study. But your brain does stay active during sleep, and it can do some amazing things.
Oh, so my brain is still working? Even when I'm dreaming about flying or eating delicious food?
Exactly. When you sleep, your brain doesn't shut down. It's very busy. It organizes information from the day, and it helps move new memories into long-term storage. There are different stages of sleep. During deep sleep, your brain works on memory and learning from the day. And during lighter sleep, it can still process some sounds from the outside world.
So, if I hear English words when I'm in light sleep, my brain can process them?
Yes, it can. It's like your brain is still listening, but not actively understanding in the way you do when you are awake. It's more about familiarity and repetition. So, while sleep learning cannot make you fluent, it can definitely support your regular English learning. It's a helper, not the main teacher. Let us see what sleep learning can really help with.
Okay, that makes more sense. So it's not a shortcut, but it can help me? How exactly?
Right. Think of it as an extra tool in your learning kit. First, it can help with vocabulary recognition. If you listen to new English words before and during light sleep, your brain becomes more familiar with them. So when you see or hear them again while awake, they might feel less new. It helps with the feeling of, I know this word.
Ah, like planting a seed. My brain gets used to the sound even if I don't know the meaning yet?
That's a great way to put it, Anna. Second, it can improve your listening familiarity. When you hear English sounds, words, and sentences while sleeping, your ears and brain get more used to the rhythm and patterns of the language. This can make listening easier when you are awake.
So it's like my brain gets a little extra practice without me even trying?
Exactly. And third, and this is important, it can support your confidence. If you feel like you are learning even while resting, it can give you a positive feeling about your progress. This boosts your motivation. You feel more connected to the language.
That would be nice. Sometimes I feel like I'm not doing enough. What about things it cannot do? Like, can it teach me grammar?
Good question. Sleep learning cannot teach you complex grammar rules. Your brain needs to be fully awake and focused to understand rules like verb tenses or sentence structure. It's too complex for passive learning during sleep. It also cannot replace daily active practice. You still need to speak, write, read, and actively study every day.
Okay, so no magic grammar lessons then. It's mainly for getting used to sounds and words, not understanding deep rules.
That's it. It's all about pattern recognition. Your brain is good at picking up patterns, even when you're sleeping. If it hears the same words or sounds many times, it recognizes them. But to know what those patterns mean, you need to be awake and actively learning. Now, how can we use this idea in a helpful way? I have a simple 7-step routine for you.
A routine. That sounds good. I like clear steps.
Great. Step 1. Choose simple English audio. Don't pick something too difficult or fast. Start with basic vocabulary lists, short, simple stories, or calm conversations that are easy to follow. The goal is gentle repetition.
Okay, simple audio, not a movie with fast talking.
Exactly. Step 2. Prepare a quiet, comfortable room. Make sure your bedroom is dark and peaceful. This helps you sleep better, and better sleep means your brain can process things more effectively.
I already like a quiet room. That's easy.
Good. Step 3. Use a very, very low volume. The audio should be almost like a whisper. It should not keep you awake or disturb your sleep. If it's too loud, it becomes noise, not a gentle helper.
Oh, so not loud like music for dancing. Very soft.
Yes, very soft. Step 4. Start the audio before you sleep. Listen to it for a few minutes while you are still awake and relaxed in bed. This helps your brain connect the sounds to your intention of learning. You are setting the stage.
So, listen for a little bit, then fall asleep while it plays. Got it.
That's right. Step 5. Listen consistently every night. This isn't a one-time thing. Your brain learns with repetition over time. Try to make it a regular part of your night routine for at least a few weeks to see any small results.
Consistency. Okay, I understand. Like going to the gym. Small changes every day?
Perfect example. Step 6. Use positive affirmations. Before you sleep, you can say to yourself, "My brain is open to learning English even while I rest," or "I am improving my English every day." This creates a positive mindset and reduces stress about learning.
I like that. Being positive helps me feel good about learning.
Absolutely. And finally, step 7. Track your small progress. Don't expect big changes quickly. After a few weeks, maybe you'll notice a new word feels familiar or English sounds a bit less strange. Celebrate these small wins. They are real progress.
Okay, not looking for magic, but looking for small changes. That sounds realistic. This routine helps me think about it more clearly.
That's the goal. Now, let's talk a bit more about the best kind of content for this. What do you think would be good to listen to with this method?
Hmm, maybe vocabulary lists? Or easy stories?
You're spot on, Anna. Vocabulary lists are excellent, especially if they are clear, slow, and maybe repeat each word a few times. Simple conversations, too, can work well, as long as they are not too complex. Think short sentences, clear pronunciation.
So, like a very basic dialogue, not a fast movie scene.
Exactly. Also, calm positive affirmations in English are wonderful. They help with the positive mindset we talked about. And of course, relaxing English podcasts, like this one, if the speed and content are gentle.
Why do calm and simple audio work best? Why not something more interesting, like a story with a strong plot?
That's a great question. Calm and simple audio works best because its purpose is not to entertain or teach you actively. Its purpose is to create familiarity and gentle exposure. If the audio is too interesting or exciting, it might keep your brain too active and prevent you from getting good, restful sleep. We want your brain to absorb patterns, not actively solve a story.
So it's like background sound, not something to focus on. That makes sense for sleeping.
You've got it. The most important thing is good sleep. The English learning is a bonus, a gentle push. Now, how about we try a very short, calm, repeat after me moment together? This can be part of your positive affirmations or just a way to connect with the language softly.
Okay, I'm ready.
Speak softly, slowly. Please repeat after me. Quietly, I am learning English every day.
Repeating softly. I am learning English every day.
Speak softly, slowly. My brain learns while I rest.
Repeating softly. My brain learns while I rest.
Speak softly, slowly. And finally, small progress is real progress.
Repeating softly. Small progress is real progress.
Excellent, Anna. That feels calming, doesn't it? So, to summarize what we talked about today, sleep learning is a supportive tool, not a magic solution. It can help your brain become more familiar with English sounds and words, and it can boost your confidence. But it must be combined with your daily, active English practice.
Yes, it feels much clearer now. I understand it's about consistency and patience, not just putting on audio and expecting to wake up fluent. It's a nice extra step.
Exactly. Remember to set realistic expectations and be patient with yourself. Every little bit of exposure helps. We hope this episode helped you understand sleep learning better, and we'd still love to hear from you. Do you listen to anything while you sleep or before going to bed? Share your thoughts with us.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly. I feel much more confident about trying this now.
You are very welcome, Anna. And thank you, everyone, for listening. We wish you calm nights and productive days. Rest, listen, and learn step by step.